This is Tajamuladil. The RGB tube light lets you work with a full spectrum of RGB shades. Using gel filter is not necessary for achieving interesting color effects. Thanks for programming special effects, RGB LED tube lights can be used creatively on film sets. The speed and light intensity can be adjusted freely to accommodate a variety of modes. In this comparison, I will compare Aputure MT Pro, which is cost at $199, with Weeylite K21, which is priced at $69.99. The purpose of this section is to unbox MT Pro and K21 RGB Tube Light. I will also show you the dimensions, sizes and other differences. The dimensions of the MT Pro are 30 × 4 × 3.5 cm, while those of the K21 is 29.7 × 3.9 × 4.0 cm. The MT Pro weighs 391 gram, while the K21 weighs 270 gram. MT Pro comes with a 4200 mAh 2.7 volt lithium polymer battery. With the lithium polymer battery, the K21 offers 2500 mAh at 3.7 volt. MT Pro color temperature range offers 2000 K into 10,000 K, but the K21 color temperature range offers 2500 to 8500 K. Both LED light offers a variety of different effects and are also charged by using a USB-C cable. MT Pro offers a battery life is approximately 120 minutes, whereas K21 offers a battery life of up to 60 minutes. The interesting part of both LED lights can be controlled from the mobile app. The Aputure MT Pro can be controlled from Sidus Link app, and Weeylite K21 can be controlled by Weeylite Pro mobile app. Both mobile apps links you can find in the video description. When you switch on MT Pro, it shows an RGB lighting effect. And now let's open the Sidus Link app on the mobile device. MT Pro is already synced with the Sidus Link app. In the first place, you can see we can easily switch off and on the LED light. In the color section, you can select any color from the palette and its response time is very accurate and wonderful. From the effect section, 9 system effects are built in. These include fireworks, fire, paparazzi, faulty bulbs, television, pulsing, cop cars, lighting and party lights. In the color option, we have an RGB section where you can change the red color separately, the green color separately, and the blue color as well. Also, we have X and Y coordinate color options which are available in the color section, and the response is so accurate and fast result as well. Let's mount the tripod with the K21 LED light and open the Weeylite Pro app. So once I open the app, it's automatically connected to the K21 LED light and it's connected with the A section. A lot of options are available in the app, and now choose the HSL option. We have a color palette here and its response time and color picking up very fast and accurate as well. On the CCT option, we have the color gradients bar available on the top, and you can change the intensity level as well. Also at the bottom we have other options. RGBWY section, you can find the red color, green color, blue color, white color and yellow color options. Under the XY coordinates, we have a color palette, and response time is so wonderful in picking up the colors which are awesome. In the color chip option, we have a variety of color options under the ROSCO option and the LEE option. Color picking is so accurate. Now we have an interesting effects section where we have a variety of effects like flash, buzz, flash lump, blink, weld, SOS and many more. Under the CCT effects section, we have effects option like flash, buzz, flash lamp, blink, flame, TV and more. K21 also has a menu option in the back of the panel where you can change the color temperature to 2500K, which is giving yellow color theme. On the MT Pro also you can find a menu option in the back of the panel where you can also change the color temperature to 2000K, which is giving yellow theme, and notice both lights have slightly different yellow tones. Now I'm changing the color temperature to 10,000K from 2000K, which turns into the white color theme. Let's try to change the color temperature to max 8500K from 2500K, and on the white color theme I also noticed slightly different tones on both of the LED tube lights. The MT Pro from Aputure and K21 from Weeylite, both of these LED lights are good for you. But MT Pro offers a better battery life, a better color temperature options, a rich interface mobile app, and at the end a better build quality. MT Pro costs you $199 and K21 costs you $69.99. It means MT Pro costs you double in price and K21 offers you almost same features as in a budget price. So it totally depends on your budget which suits you the most. If you are interested in streaming webcam, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.